Do you want to know what the maximum payload for the USS Pennsylvania is?
Yes.
23 nuclear warheads in Titan III style missiles. That's enough to destroy the world a few times over.
Yeah. So here's a question. I'm not sure if this was in the case or this was outside the case, but where do the most successful coffee shops open that aren't Starbucks? Where should they open? If I'm going to start a new coffee shop, where should I open my coffee shop?
On the same street as Starbucks.
Ideally, right next to Starbucks.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't it be as far away from Starbucks as possible?
That's not where coffee drinkers are going.
But that's exactly the question. That's exactly what everybody thinks. It's like, well, Starbucks, much like Lululemon, much like a lot of premium brands, have done the heavy lifting to convince consumers that it's okay to spend $5 on a coffee. We seem to be so keen to sometimes be anti-establishment. Starbucks has created this market, convinced people to do it, and now it's like, okay, anybody who's like, oh, you know what, I don't feel like Starbucks today, has that convenient next option. Think about the corner that we have here. On the one block that Starbucks sits, what other coffee shops do we have?
Lens.
Yep.
Pulp Fiction.
Yep, Breadco kind of, but yeah, essentially like you've got 4 coffee shops on a single block in a city of 180,000 people.
Yeah.
Like, that's insane.
Do you have any good rock climbing fun?
There's a lot of terms in rock climbing that are just funny, like jugs, greasy cracks, etc., etc. So we just finished work. It's a Thursday, midweek, and we came here to do some climbing.
Mitch is like my personal trainer for rock climbing because I suck, and he's got all the technique.
There was a submarine full of cocaine, and they was trying to smuggle it out. And there's a cool video of like the military guy or whatnot standing on top of the submarine, knocking on the hatch in the middle of the ocean.
Couldn't they just submerge?
What I'm curious about is like, where's the market for submarines?
That's what I said. I said, where do you buy a submarine?
Norway?
Where do you buy a submarine? Norway.
Obviously. Climbing is kind of a combination of problem solving, like a puzzle, and strength. And generally in North America, boulders are rated on something called the V system. So you have V1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 15, 16, which is like world-class, pushing the boundary sort of stuff right now. And what we do in the gym, here they have just different tape colors. So they're sequential, so like a V0 or a V1, kind of that range is going to be white tape. V1, V2 is going to be blue, teal, red, green, purple, brown, black. I'll show you on the wall kind of what that looks like.
To film a little interaction with a new client, but we had a bit of time, so Will very kindly is letting me drive the Tesla and this is the first time I've ever actually, I think, been in a car like this, let alone drive it, so yeah, pretty stoked right now.
Okay, let's do this.
What's crazy too is like I'm not even close to like foot on the floor, but I don't think I'm not going to. I'm too scared.
And this time I actually punch it, like stop and punch it.
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh my. Yeah, that will never get old, hey?
It does not. We've had it for over a year and it's just been like magical.
Yeah, well, I'm doing basically like a full level or 2 levels below what Mitch is doing. So yeah, I'm more of an amateur compared to Mitch. I don't even think I could complete the climb he just did. And I've been here for like 3 months now. And that's supposed to be the level I can do. So, I mean, maybe I'll give it a shot and then you can compare our form. Yeah, I don't know. I can't do that.
Your sequence, you got a little messy, so
Yeah,
you went up with the right. If you cross the left over, then
don't move my foot first. Mitch is the coach, and starting these climbs is just the worst.
once you catch it, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a big jug.
Yeah, that was.
I used to curl, and that's how I bowl.
You guys have to slow down because you're better and count less people. You're gonna keep beating.
Yes! Got my stretchy jeans. I'm ready to play. Look at that score.
Hell yeah, this is some good bowling. We got some real competition here, and there's all different types of players. You know, you got the slow bowlers, you got the fast bowlers, you got the middle tier bowlers, and that's me.
I'm gonna head out.
You're gonna head out? Why don't you just put the camera down and play a game? You have a date? All right, man. Well, thanks for filming us. We'll see you at the office on Monday, I guess. Unless you want to come rock climbing tomorrow.
Maybe actually.
Yeah, do it up. We're going at 2 o'clock.
Okay, dude, I'll let you know.
Yeah.
Okay, have fun tonight, okay?
All right. Take care.